everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I received this package from Amazon, and of course I'm gonna unbox this. So what's the name of this one? Rowing machine. Okay, so let's, wow, this is heavy, you know, so heavy. Oh, I'm so excited. So rowing machine, it means that this is for exercise. Okay? Is that okay? Okay.
Take these straps. Throw them away. Careful.
Wow. Whew. I love this. And
Wait a minute.
okay, but
Wait a minute.
Go.
ooh, come here. Look at this here. Wow. This is the battery. Oh, this is we have to use the battery for this. Wow, this is a very heavy equipment. So, we're going to install this now, and my husband will help me to do it.
I don't know. Not sure what it is. Oh, the foot pedal.
Oh, that's the foot pedal. Ooh, let me see it, hon. One. There you go. So this is the foot pedal. That's nice. There's something that we can lock also our foot. Yeah. Okay. Of course, guys, we need to read the direction how to install this. And I let my hubby to do it because I don't know. I don't understand this. And this is the one that you can sit. This is the for your butt. This is the one. Okay, so step 1, we have to install the seat. Okay.
Okay, well, we have to install this rubber thing with these two screws, and basically what it does is when you're going back, this roller will hit this and stop it so you don't go back. And this is the back support. Oops. One was put this rubber thing on, and step 2 is to put the rear support. So we've got the screws in here. Now we just need to tighten it all up. And in the instruction manual, they have numbers for the bolts and number for the washers. And then this unit comes with it. And as you can see over here, each one of these different items has a number that corresponds to the instruction manual. So now we'll proceed to the next step. Okay, so now we're going to put on the front stabilizer. This unit slips right over the top of this. We use the washers, these washers that correspond to the numbers on the instruction manual. And we just insert these right in here. And then we will insert the front stabilizer with the 2 bolts here to the front. These 2 pads come here, and you can stand on these, and then you can grab this bar and you can do curls and things like that. We'll show you that at the end of the video. Okay, now we're going to put on the foot pedals. The top bolts have a little bushing to keep it away so it doesn't get too tight, so they can swivel, so when you move everything works properly. You put this bolt through here, and then you put the bushing on, and then you put it in the hole and you tighten it up. All there is to it. So we got these foot pedals on, and they turn, and there's a stop on them. Make sure when you put the foot pedals on, you put the right one on the right side and the left one on the left side. Okay? That's that step. Now we'll proceed to the next step. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to connect this wire to this this unit down here. And you put it through here, and then they snap together. Okay? Then this unit comes up like this. Make sure the wire is past where you want everything to be. Okay. This has to... Okay, so everything's it's all put together. It doesn't take too long. We have some batteries we have to put in this unit. We'll do that in a few minutes. We'll show you how, but this is basically how it works. Strap your feet in here. Grab this and you'll pull back. That's basically how it's done. I'm going to put batteries in to the console. It comes with 4 batteries, and they're marked positive and negative. For free forever to record or to get your information off the cloud. It tells you various information. Okay, then we just strap it back in. Take the unit, put it back in here, and snap it back into place.
Wait, say it again.
Okay. And basically what those are for is to stabilize the machine. What you can do is you can stand on it, stand on these, then you can take this and you can put the various tension, and you can do curls. You can do rows, upward rows. You can do wrist exercises. And if you want, you can turn around and you can do tricep extensions like this. So it's more than just a rowing machine. It also has some usage for other muscle groups.